up, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Wood. Today we at the spa. Yeah, the casino. Camper. We got our massages, couple massages. The tools are right now. Yeah, around here. If y'all ever in Temple, come here. A lot of people don't know about this spa.
I would love to see the men's side because I've never been on the men's side. You gonna give us a tour?
It's the same thing. The woman, you got the salt room. What else?
The salt sauna. The other one is what? Steam room and the jacuzzi.
And you get butt naked and that's butt naked. That's why I don't never go in there. Butt naked. Out here you gotta put on
Swimsuit.
But in there, they be in there freely butt naked. I be having to leave out there. So we just get, and then when you have when you come out here, how much it is if you just want to do the jacuzzi and all that?
75 for a spa day pass.
And you get access to the pool too. To what, 8 o'clock?
Yep, 8 at night, 8 to 8. And you can walk out there, guys. Walk out that door and go get you some food and bring it back in here if you like. And you can eat food in here. Also, we're gonna talk about chairs. So you can actually turn these around if you want privacy. Baby, so handsome. Cause the thing right there. And then you could cuddle up and have you some privacy. Kiss and touch on each other, read a book. Whatever you want to do. It was so relaxing. A lot of people go to sleep in the spa too.
They could be men and women. Versus when you in there, when you get your lock and stuff, all that. It's women and men. That's why I said it was
I'm gonna be butt naked in the jacuzzi today.
All right, y'all. We're in the pool. This ain't hot. Real hot. I'm gonna give y'all a little tour a little bit when I go back there. When I get like dressed. Hopefully nobody ain't know. Maybe get naked over there.
What? Yeah. I seen a lady swimming naked in the jacuzzi. I'm gonna be naked in there today. Boobs just hanging.
He in the salt room. I'm like, oh shit. I ain't know it was on. He had a big. So, this is big out here. I guess ain't nothing wrong with it. He said he's under
It says liberating. I'm gonna try it. It says liberating. I'm gonna try it. How did it feel to get the massage and I ain't talk? It was so hard for me not to talk. Yeah, because I think I wasn't talking.
She started rubbing on my feet.
So you saying I need to rub on your feet more often at home?
And I'm gonna give y'all a tour for the when I go. I gotta leave in a little bit.
It's only 12:05.
Oh, I thought it was.
I want to go get me some food and eat my food in here.
Where you do this?
Noodle bar. You gonna walk with me?
I gotta get this.
Yeah, unless you want to walk in your trunk. Are you happy with your current life?
All right, y'all. I'm finna show y'all the inside. Walk in, they got some fruit. I'll never eat this. Got that little fresh water. Want some regular water. Make some coffee. Come and relax right here. And you come over here. They got 2 private bathrooms, 2 toilets. And right here you can come and shave. Gas them for shave. You can shave. They got all your hairspray, lotion, all that good stuff. Right here. Come to your shower. And come and take a shower. They got more showers right here. That's what I be talking about. They be naked. You get in the jacuzzi butt naked if you want to. You can sit right here butt naked. Here's salt room. Boy, this shit hot. I already feel it outside. Ooh. Ooh. It's the salt room. It's so hot in here, y'all. God damn. I ain't never see this right here. This water ain't much hot. You want to throw this water on you. Got your temperature. I mean, how long you gonna be in here? I don't think you can sit in here bitch more than 5 minutes. I think 2 minutes. I got a door open and it's still hot in here. Got more lounges. This room get ugly right here. This the steam room. Ain't shit nobody in here. Ooh, damn, it be hot in the salt room. Oh my God. And you want to turn the showers on so you can sit in there. But I promise you, when you come in these 2 rooms, you'll breathe better. For real, it'll take whatever you got going on. Oh shit, I ain't even to do that. My bad. Oh, I hit the mercy button. I ain't mean to do that. I thought it's another shower right here. I meant to turn it on. My bad. They turn everything off here. They finna rush in here. My bad, y'all. I ain't mean to do that. And right here is your locker room. They let you put your own. You must know which locker miles. Yeah, your locker room. I think that's my locker. I forgot. All right, y'all. I forgot. I gotta take me a shower. Take me a shower. Turn the light on. Take me a shower real fast. I don't know who was playing with that. That's weird. Turn the shower on. Take me a quick shower because we got to leave. All right, I had to go get me another a towel and a rag. Take me a quick shower real fast. We're finna go. All right, y'all, I'm finna change my clothes. I'm gonna leave this in here because I'm coming back later. I gotta go get a haircut and stuff. We're finna go on vacation for my son's birthday. All right. All right, y'all. If y'all like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, comment down below, tell me how I did. I know I ain't posting a long time, but I'm finna start by posting, y'all. We out. All right, y'all. Had to just put on some lotion, and then I'm finna walk out here. My wife should be out there meet me. Also, you can check your weight. You got a scale in here to check your weight. I'm finna walk out. My wife should be out here already. Meet me. We finna go get something to eat, and I gotta go get some. Take my kids to get a haircut. There she go.
I can't believe you vlogging.
All right, y'all. We staying the night here too. You know, they give both of us free nights and stuff. So she had one free night. I like to go to Miami. We finna go back to Miami. I got 3 free nights there. I got nights here. So this how the room looking. Miami killing this. But then I got these 3 little weak pools. Got 3 pools. So it's looking. I'm finna end this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, comment down below.